In this video, I'm going to show you how to change age restrictions on your iPad, whether it's for your kids or just to customize your own settings. I've got you covered. There are some reasons to change the age restrictions on your device, which are shown on my video screen. Please let me know which one applies to you in the comment box below. So guys, let's start this guide. First, unlock your iPad and head over to Settings. That's the gray gear icon. So tapping on Settings, then scroll down a bit and tap on Screen Time. If you haven't set it up yet, you'll need to turn it on this page. You have to tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. If it's off, turn it on using the toggle at the top. You might be asked to enter your Screen Time passcode. Go ahead and type that in. You can now adjust age restrictions for things like App Store, media, web, games, and more. So tap on this. On this setting page, you can see each category and choose the age rating that fits best. For example, if you only want apps rated 12+ to be available, just tap Apps and select 12+. Just as you can for movies, TV shows, books, web content, and more. This section is specifically designed by Apple for Game Center. Parents can set controls for all these types of content, like multiplayer games, adding friends, connect with friends, screen recording, nearby multiplayer, private messaging, profile privacy changes, avatar and nickname changes. So to set restrictions, you can set Don't Allow for specific setting. And that's it. You've successfully changed age restrictions on your iPad. Super simple, right? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips like this. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below.